We are live from the E-Kitchen today, y'all, and you guys are in for a treat. We're going to show you step by step how we made this mirror for our home. Now stay tuned. Okay, so our first stop was to Dollar Tree, where we purchased 12 of these wire wreaths at $1 a piece. And then we had some zip ties in the house, so we're going to use what we have. It really doesn't matter as far as the color is concerned, because you're going to spray paint everything, the wire wreaths as well as the zip ties. So I know it looks black, but they're really green, so we want everything to look charcoal black, which is why we selected that color. We also have some E6000 as well as 12-inch mirrors that we purchased from Micheal's. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is just remove the tags from all of your wreaths, and then you're going to start with zip tying everything together. We are doing a total of 12 mirrors, so we're going to do 4 up and 3 across. In some instances, you will see that you may need to use more than one zip tie, so if you don't feel like it's firmly connected, I would just highly recommend that you use more than one. Alright, it's time to cut the tail end of the zip ties off, and then our next step will be to take it outside to be spray painted. The camera did not record, but believe me, we did spray paint both sides, and so we are all set and ready to go back in to start adding the mirrors. Okay, so this was probably the most tedious task of the project, gluing the mirrors onto the wreath. I'm using the second ring of the wreath. I'm adding the E6000. I'm going to add the mirror. I'm going to slightly press down. I'm going to repeat that until the entire front of the project is done. And then I'm going to flip it over and add some additional glue for reinforcement to the back. Okay, so we are reinforcing the back of the mirror. We're going to let this dry for 24 hours. And then the last step is going to be to hang the mirror, which we did. This was one of the most easiest and rewarding projects that we've done in the house. You're going to see it every time you enter the house. So we thank you guys for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next